Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Hulu. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hulu. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to hulu.com. On the home page, tap Login at the top right. The login pop-up will be shown, so enter your email address and enter your account password. Also, if you forget your email or password, tap Forgot your email or password and follow the instructions. When done, tap Login. And that's how you log into Hulu. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.